When it comes to getting a mortgage, what you can qualify for and what you can afford are two different numbers. And here's an idea of how you can figure out what you can afford and how you can avoid being house poor. Financial experts recommend a total housing payment of no more than 28% of your gross income, even though a lot of loan programs will let you go up to 55%, even more of your total gross income. And if your debt to income ratio is that high, you're gonna end up being house poor. Because of the way lenders are required to calculate income, oftentimes they're gonna be on the more conservative end. So here are 4 times a high debt to income ratio is gonna be okay, and it probably won't make you house poor. If a lender is only using your base income or base hourly rate to qualify, but you maybe earn bonus, commission, or overtime income that's pretty significant in proportion to your base salary, that's probably gonna be an okay time when you have a higher debt to income ratio because you have additional income not being accounted for. Number 2, if you have a side hustle that's actually earning income and the income is growing, but the lender's not using that to qualify, that would be another time where a higher debt to income ratio is probably gonna be okay. Number 3, if you have a spouse, significant other, or someone else that's gonna be occupying the home full-time that's also earning income, but it wasn't used to qualify, you'll probably be okay with a higher debt to income ratio. Number 4, if you have a significant amount of assets that you don't want to liquidate because of financial implications, but if you needed to in an emergency, it would cover your mortgage or maybe completely pay it off, that would be another instance where a high debt to income ratio when qualifying would be okay. When buying a home, the most important thing is understanding your budget, not spending the max you can qualify for. You want to find that sweet spot where you can afford it, live comfortably, and have a great quality of life, and be able to stay in that home for a long time. For more tips on how to buy your home, or just to understand your scenario, give us a follow.